Oh, right, Lady Ada, what is this?
This is an incredibly bright, shiny NeoPixel sheet. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's nice.
Dying.
Whew.
Good power supply here. So this is kind of cool because it's a sheet of flexible PCB material that you can see on the back. It's
Yeah.
yeah, it's like a flex PCB. So it's like, you know, super flexible and it's cuttable and it has NeoPixels every 10 millimeters, so 1 centimeter. So let me turn this off just briefly so I can show off the cut points. Sorry. So you can see they're RGB Ws. It's the W part. It's like a natural white color, and they look like, you know, side by side sheets, right? Like this is, or strips. This is like one strip, but they're made on one PCB, so you can cut them. You can see there's little like cut symbols over here, but you can actually cut them like kind of in any direction or shape, and over here they will. You can see that I think this is the data line. Is that the data line? No, that's the power line. The data line zigzags around, but with these pads, it's really easy for you to connect. So there's no connection between the rows. They're connected only up, like left and right. So if you wanted to have this in a weird shape, you would just have to like find the end of your shape and then connect it through with some thin wires. The power and ground, I think, are connected all the way through, so you only have to do the data line. But it's kind of like a funky, cool material because it's like very,
Yeah,
very
it's cool.
flexible, and you only need one GPIO line to use it. And like you could cut holes in it if you wanted to, or have like a heart shape or a star.
Yeah.
Anything as long as you maintain this square for each shape. So kind of cool material, extremely bright. You do need 12 volts power for it, but you know, our Sparkle Motion supports that. Or, you know, you just find an external power supply. And this looks good. We're going to get it to the shop soon once my eyesight recovers. Ow.